We're often asked, can I use my DVL as an altimeter? The answer is yes. You can use a DVL to estimate the distance over the bottom. But this is a qualified yes. Let's take a look at some of the considerations and compromises one has to make when estimating the distance to the bottom using a DVL. One issue is that the beams are at an angle. The manufacturer's angle varies from 20 to 30 degrees, and as a result, the distance to the bottom is measured along the beam and not directly beneath the DVL. To get an accurate estimate of the altitude, the distance along these beams has to be corrected for or mapped to the vertical. This provides a reasonable estimate as long as two criteria are met. The vehicle is not pitching and rolling excessively, and the bottom is flat. These two requirements are difficult to meet in practice. This is where a dedicated vertical transducer has its benefits. Here we have a DVL with a dedicated vertical beam. This means when it is pointing down, it has no corrections necessary and it's measuring directly to the bottom. This vastly reduces the error even when the vehicle is moving. Now, Nortek has been using altimeters for a number of years. We've been using them on our wave measurement systems. We've been using them for our ice measurement systems, and we've also been using them for DVLs. So you can be comfortable and confident to know that the altimeter is a solid estimate.